So today I'm going to show you how quick it is to remove these marker light overlays that I put on. Now these have been on for quite some time now, baking in the sun, and watch how easy it is. Once you get it started, you get a corner here. It should come off in one piece. That's a nice thing about using quality vinyl. See right there. If you use cheap vinyl, when you go take it off, the sun will bake it on. It'll come off in little pieces, and it's kind of a pain to do it. Same thing with this one. Really easy. If you want to go darker, take this off, put a different one on, whatever you guys want to do. Like I said, when I wash it, I scrub really hard. It doesn't do anything, but all you have to do is get a little edge pulled, and it comes off just like that, one piece. You don't have to worry about it. Very easy. So if you guys put those on, don't be worried about the sun baking them on. It won't do anything to them. Very nice. Okay? Just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys want to go remove stuff, don't worry, it's not going to damage anything. Hope that helps you out. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks, everybody.